Alright guys, back again with my third wheel swap of the year. Shout out to Phil's Custom Wheels, or Phil Harris. Check him out on YouTube. Check out his video of making bigger rims fit. Phil, man, I thought I was the only one doing that, but good video, man. I thought that was a little secret I had, but it's amazing how all us collectors and customizers sometimes think alike. But let me get to it. Third wheel swap of the year. Here we go. Check it out. This is the 2015 Jaguar F-Type. Let's zoom in so I can show you guys what we got. This car is clean. What I did, I took the bigger size wheels and they actually fit. Didn't have to do any scraping or trimming. And this is a beaut. Man, I love these wheels. These are like a newer style wheel from Hot Wheels. As you know, I like to do stags. And if you guys are wondering, man, these wheels fit. Once again, my third wheel swap of the year. It is the 2015 Matchbox Jaguar F-Type. Let me see if I can get some better lighting here. Much better. Look at it again. Yeah, man, I like the way this looks, man. Awesome. Rolls good. Everything. Oh, what do we have here? Oh, yeah. I don't think you guys are ready for that yet. Yeah, bad news. Get this guy fixed up. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.